Welcome back to the EJ Ward Field View Training Series. In this video, we're going to show you how to assign vehicle types. So there are two ways to assign a vehicle type, and the first way is just individually by each vehicle. And we've already gone over this a little bit when we were making the vehicle record, but we're going to drop down the Asset Management folder, and we're going to go to the Vehicles page. Inside of the Vehicles page, we'll find a vehicle that we want to change the vehicle type for. Then we'll go ahead and click on that vehicle itself to get into the record. And all we have to do to assign a vehicle type after we've made that vehicle type is drop it down and select it. So let's say this is a vehicle that we're using for maintenance and I don't want to put light duty in it anymore. So if it does have a vehicle type already and you drop it down, you're going to see that you're only going to be able to see that vehicle because it's actively searching this box on what's inside of the box. So all we need to do is backspace through this, and now you can see all the different types that we have. So here we have our maintenance class that we made. We're going to go ahead and select that, and then you save the record. Once that record is saved successfully, we'll go ahead and hit OK, and then click out of this record. The second way to do this is in bulk. So let's say you want an entire department to have a certain vehicle type. The way we do that is click on the Assign Vehicle Types page here at the bottom of Asset Management. So this is going to come up with a little bit different page than most of the pages in Field View. There's a couple pages that are like this. So it's going to ask you, do you want to do it by vehicle or by department? So we're going to go ahead and do by department. And then you would select the department. So we click on the drop down, and then we can search the code of the department. So we're going to put this in the training department. And then you would click on the checkbox, which it's a little hard to see here because it's blue, but there's a blue checkbox underneath where it shows clear. And then you can also take this out, and we can do multiple departments at a time. So you just check all the departments that you want to set up this vehicle type for. And then below, we select the vehicle type we want to set it to. So let's say we want to do our regular maintenance. So we're just going to search the description. We will select our maintenance. And this one, you can only have one vehicle type that you're selecting. And you would hit update. And once you hit update, it's going to go through and change every single vehicle in the training department to a maintenance vehicle. We'll go ahead and click OK. The other way to do it is by vehicle. So if we select by vehicle, you're going to be able to select the vehicle that you want. So you can do an individual vehicle if you want, but we could also go, let's say we want to see all the F-150s. So we have all our F-150s, and we can check all of these F-150s. And as you can see up here in the drop down, it starts adding them back to back to back with a comma separated. So we have all those F-150s there. The next thing that we're going to do is select a vehicle type. So we're going to do the light duty gasoline on these. And then we're going to go ahead and click on update. And this is going to go through and just select these vehicles and not an entire department. At the end, it's going to tell you that it updated the vehicle types for all of those vehicles. And then we can go check those. You can go in and check those vehicles and see if the type has been updated. And it's going to start collecting all the emissions information if the emissions information is set up through that vehicle type. That concludes the video on how to assign a vehicle type to a vehicle. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.